Today we're going to make an unboxing slash first impression video of a package we received yesterday. Yes, the art materials I'm going to show you today are all sponsored. So who's excited about this? I am. Yes, it's my first ever sponsored art materials that will be posted here on my channel. I want to thank Mr. Anuj and Sarah for sending me these items. And the product that I'm referring to is from CHALKOLA. CHALKOLA are selling chalk markers and they've been selling for over 5 countries for the past 5 years. We'll make a little swatch of these items for us to see how the color works. And yes, without further ado, let's get a package. Yeah. So yes, this one is kind of big, this kind of huge. This was actually sent from overseas and I got this yesterday. And due to excitement, I actually already cut the tape and I already opened one of the flaps, but I did not totally open it. So I want to check all the materials with you guys. So let's open this. I'm still really amazed of how many materials are part of this package. So let's start randomly. So let's just pick one. Alright, so it says here it's a CHALKOLA vintage chalk markers. It has 10 markers inside. There you go. So let's move this. The packaging for this material is actually durable. It's a hard type of cardboard or carton. It also says here that it works best on chalkboards, whiteboards, blackboards, windows, glass, ceramics, and other non-porous surfaces. This is kind of cool. This chalk markers are 3mm reversible tip. So the second item we've got is this 20 acrylic paint markers. Yeah. So as you can see, here are the swatches. So here are the cool colors, here are the warm colors. This one is also 3mm reversible tip, and as you can see, most of their packages have the instructions on how to use a marker. It says here you have to shake the velvet cap on and upright, then remove the cap, and then press it up to and fro multiple times to quickly get the ink flowing. So yes, this is actually different from typical markers, so you guys should try this. I also have another. This one is a chalk marker as well. And here are the colors. It says it also includes 50 chalk labels. What do you mean chalk labels? Last night I just opened this box, but I haven't opened all the items yet, so I just don't know what they mean when they say chalk labels. But we'll check on that later. This one is also a chalk marker. So it says a CHALKOLA set of 80 colors. This is also a marker. And I guess this is a mother of this. They kind of look similar to that, but this is bigger than this. It says here CHALKOLA Premium Wet White Markers. All of them are actually child safe, water based, non toxic, washes off from clothes, long lasting, clean dry. We also have here 6 white chalk markers in a variety pack. So I guess all of this includes white markers. We also have this one is 5 white chalk markers. So it's kind of similar to this. It's just that. Oh, I see. This is a variety pack, meaning there are 2 types of markers here. So the first one is a 3mm marker, the other one is a 6mm marker. But for this one, it only has a 6mm type of white chalk markers. So we put this here. They also gave me this white chalk marker, but for this one I guess this is the biggest among the materials they gave me because it has 6mm reversible tape. So this is how it looks like. I've been using markers, but this will be my very first time to try a chalk marker since I guess this is kind of new here in our country. But if you guys want to check their website, you can check these items as well there, of course. Just type in CHALKOLA.com. You can also check them on Instagram and on Facebook. You'll just have to search CHALKOLA. That's CHALKOLA. So I get it. From their brand name itself, you can actually determine that their products are mostly chalks. Here I got, it's like a card. It says Ola. CHALKOLA. So let's open it. I guess this would be a greeting card. Let's see. It says here, thank you. Thank you. All CHALKOLA products are backed by our lifetime satisfaction guarantee. If you ever face any issues, then please contact us at CHALKOLA.com or directly at info@CHALKOLA.com. I think that's kind of like a promotional material because it says here we have something for you. So as a token of our appreciation, you're entitled to pick a prize from our website. Most likely, you may also receive these items. You will also be entitled with gift vouchers and exclusive discounts. Yeah, I guess this is the last item. The bigger one. Ta-da! This is an easel. Oh, a blackboard. This is literally a blackboard because it's black. So here we go. As you can see here, there's a chain. So you can have this stand like this. And now that we have seen all the materials they have sent me, what we're going to do is, of course, we have to swatch them and check how they really work. And let's see how it goes. So let's go.